we understand a lot of people talking that the regulation headwind has been over. We are less sure about that. We actually see the regulatory scrutiny to stay here tight for the years to come. So it's long-term things. And more importantly, it is the time to examine individual companies, how well they can adapt to the new regulatory environment. After all, there are a lot of the past common practices, like using the hefty subsidies to grab market share as soon as possible and then fend off the competitions, or using equity investment to secure a exclusive business relationship, etc. And all those business practices and overall growth strategies needs to be changed. So this is unproven yet, and we see certainly not all companies are positioned and progressing equally. So net, we are still neutral to the sector.
All right, we've talked about the risks. Let's talk about the opportunities in the China market. And you, along with a lot of other people, are thinking, look, anything that's green, related to EV, related to advanced manufacturing, and also related to mass consumption are probably pretty good places to be, pretty good themes.
Exactly. That's the three areas we are mostly focusing on, because we identify them as offering structural growth potential, and it is also aligned with the government regulation directions. So renewable energies and carbon neutrality, that's obviously a very big structural growth trend. And EVs among that is also very exciting, because we are not seeing we're not seeing only one or two companies' success. We see the whole supply chain is moving very strongly, and there's a lot of competitive companies in this whole chain. So we are we feel this is a very promising opportunity set. And for advanced manufacturing and hardware tech, for those with the potential to increase or enhance China's domestic self-sufficiency rate, those are also having very good opportunities. And lastly is mass consumption, which is aligned with the broader common prosperity outlook for China. So these are areas we highlight as a potential focus for our investors. We also want to highlight that there's some state-owned enterprises. They're well managed. They're improving their efficiencies from a low level, and they are more aligned with the minority shareholders. And we're seeing a selective opportunity set there as well.